This video will demonstrate how to test your marker beacon with the ATEQ. To configure the marker beacon test, select Tests from the top navigation bar. Under the test list, select Nav, and then MKR. From this page, you can configure the test in various scenarios. Increase the RF level until a valid signal is reached with the navigation system. Set the tone to outer, middle, or inner marker. And select the amount of generated frequency offset. This can be used to perform selectivity testing. Make sure that if you are using an external antenna or a direct connection that the EANT or DRCT tabs are selected. Otherwise, the test will be conducted using the internal antenna. Due to the high RF level requirements of the marker beacon system, the ATEQ needs to be in close proximity to the marker beacon antenna while performing the test. When the configuration is complete, select Run. Refer to the aircraft's navigation display to see if it aligns with the test parameters. Note that you can also modify the parameters on the ATEQ while the test is running, and the navigation system will react accordingly. The pass-fail criteria will be based on the associated airframe, avionics manufacturer, and regulatory requirements. Once you have successfully run through your testing procedures, select Cancel to conclude the test. You should now feel equipped to conduct your own marker beacon test with the ATEQ.